If you are looking for a way to make extra money from home or start a low-risk business on the side, you are in the right place. Come closer. Today, I've got a side hustle or some side hustle idea that anyone can start even with zero experience. This side hustle doesn't require a lot of money to start, and you can do it at your own free time, after work, on weekends, or even during your lunch break. So let's dive into this video, guys. So number one on my list is selling digital products on Etsy, on Amazon, on eBay, or any platform you choose to. Yes, digital, you heard me right. Digital product, what does it mean? It means no shipping, no inventory. So how does it work? You create a simple digital product like a planner, a checklist, a printable wall art, a resume template, or even social media calendar. Then you upload it to your Etsy or Amazon or eBay. Then when someone buys it, they download it immediately and you get your own money. As simple as that. You can use the free tools like Canva to design your products on Etsy. Then Etsy will charge you a little amount of money for listing. Then you sell them often from time to time. That is how you're going to make your money. So second on my list is dropshipping on Shopify. Do you want to run a business without ever touching a product? This one is for you. Yes, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products from suppliers without holding any inventory. You set up a Shopify store, list trending products, and when someone buys from you, your supplier ships it directly to your customers. No warehouse, no upfront stock, just profit margins. Can you beat that? Use apps like Zendrop or CJ Dropshipping or even AutoDS or Eproro. There is this one I discovered the other day, Eproro. So you can use any of them to do your dropshipping business. Yes. So if you comment dropship, if you want a full video, a full tutorial video from A to Z, comment dropshipping. So this first one now is for shy kids like me and you. I know you're shy. Me myself, I'm shy. We don't like camera. We are camera shy. So if you're like me, that you don't like staying in front of camera to talk to people, this one is for you. You can venture into YouTube faceless channel. Yes, you can run a YouTube channel without showing your face. You use AI voices, stock videos, or screen recordings. Yeah, it is very much acceptable. Then some popular niches that you can venture into: motivational quotes, finance tips, whiteboard animation, even kids animation, even tutorial using screen recording. You can venture into all of this. You can just sit down and create your videos. You use your ChatGPT to prompt your story, then go to your Canva to deliver. It's as simple as that. So the fifth side hustle is print on demand. You want to you design your t-shirts, your mugs, your phone cases without even printing any of these. Then this is how you're going to do it. Create designs, upload them on products, and sell through sites like Redbubble, Teesprings, or Etsy. When your customers orders, the company prints and ship to your customer. You earn your own profit, and there it ends. That is how you make your money. I love this one because I love it. I have a lot of things that I designed by myself in my shop, and people are really buying it. It will let you to design whatever you want to, as in maybe a different thing from the things we have been seeing in the market. You design your own, put it in the shop, people will like it, make their order, your supplier will just print and send to them. You have gotten your money, and there it ends. So this one, I'm advising you, if you don't, even if all these ones that I've mentioned you don't want, this one I'm advising you to go into it. It is worth it. So guys, another one I will recommend to you is freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Turn your skills into cash, guys. Even if it's just writing or translating, just turn your skills into cash. I mean, You can offer services like graphic designs, voiceovers, writing, or even social media management. I remember the first time I opened my Shopify store. I have not heard of Fiverr at that time. I was scrolling on Facebook, on YouTube. I saw something like that, and I had to download the app. I contacted a guy from there. The guy is from Pakistan. He was the one that opened my first Shopify store. Yeah, he helped me open it. He rendered the services and they are paid. And many people are cashing out. Many people have been cashing out on Fiverr. Guys, if you are not that talented, don't waste your talent. Just go there, create your own gig, and start making your money. It's as simple as that, man. So number 7 on my list is selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Yeah, make money while you sleep. This one is sweet by selling your own ebook. Amazon KDP lets you self-publish ebooks for free. You can write about anything you can think of, like cooking, business, motherhood, or even short stories, even novel. Anything you can think of, you can write and upload to your Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle. Yeah, you earn every time without even lifting a finger when someone buys your book. Yeah, you can use ChatGPT to help you write faster than Canva to create your ebook cover, your mock-up. So it's just that simple. And this one, why I like it is from time to time, it's there, it's not going anywhere. As long as you keep to their rules, you keep to any rules guiding Amazon KDP, it is there from generation to generation. You keep making your money. Whenever somebody buys, they only download their own copy. Your money goes to your pocket. There it ends. So I'm loving this one. Another one on my list is TikTok UGC, user generated content. Yeah, get paid to make simple videos for brands. Even if you don't have followers, you can do it. Even with 0 followers, but I'm not saying that you will not have followers, but even if your followers are low, you can do this one. UGC is when you create videos for brands. Those videos that you see brands they use for adverts, it is people that create those videos. So you can do it, then advertisers will come and buy it from you. You are not promoting it on your page, you are just the content creator. Brands love real looking videos more than celebrity ads, because celebrity ads they will be doing in yanga now, they will post today, tomorrow they will not post. And brands, they value what creators create. So start by filming reviews on products you already own. Go to your house, look for 1 or 2 things that you already have in your house, do videos about them. Then pick brands on Instagram or UGC platform like Below or Join Brands. They will come for you. If you know what you're doing, if you're serious about it, they are going to come for you. Number 9 side hustle idea is becoming a visual assistant. Yes, you want to work from home, helping business owners stay organized. You will love this one. Yeah. As a visual assistant, you can offer help with emails, scheduling, research, or social media. You don't need a degree, you don't need a certificate to do this one. Just be reliable and organized. Just be focused, know what you're doing, know what you're online to do. So number 10th one, you will love this one. It's as simple as that. Flipping items on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or any digital store, any store of your choice. You buy low, you say high, and that's the game. Yeah, you can find cheap or free stuff in your local areas. You can take pictures, fix it up, take pictures, and resell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. The things you can resell, you can in your house, you can get anything like old television, bags you're not using, furnitures, laptop, electronics, anything you can think of, anything in your house that you feel like this thing is still okay, but you're no longer making use of it. You can just touch it up, arrange it, take a good picture of it, post it on your platform, and you resell it and make your money. The other day I have an induction cooker. We replace it with gas cooker. I went to one shop like that. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace. Even my fridge, I bought another one. I had to sell the old one. I went to one shop like that. They sell all these used products, and I told them I've not used it. And even one mirror that used to be in my toilet, they did not fix it. I've not used that mirror for a day because it didn't fit in. There was ties, and they said they cannot break the ties for them to put that in. I took it to my garage. It's there. So I snapped the pictures and took it to the shop. The man immediately gave me the money. They even opted out to come to my house to pick it. They came here, they picked it up, and God knows how much they will sell it. I don't know. But all I know is that I've sold it instead of it to be in my possession without me using it, and I've made the money back. The same way I know how many things I've sold. This platform is very nice. You don't even need to lift a finger. You have Facebook already. Just go to the marketplace, create a listing, look for something you are no longer using in your house, create a listing on the platform, put your price. Someone will buy it within a twinkle of an eye. With that, you have made your money. Then you can still buy from that marketplace. You can buy low, then you sell it higher. It's your choice. Nobody is holding you. It's your choice. So this one, I think I love it, and I've been doing this a lot. So guys, with this, I've come to the end of this tutorial or teaching, and I believe you've learned one or two things. Don't stay idle. Just be busy. Busy moms, busy housewives, just be busy. Get something doing. You can be in your house and be doing one or two things and be running one or two games. I know what I'm doing here. Even as much as I'm working, I know what I'm doing in my own closed door, in my own private time. I know what I am doing extra for us to earn extra, for us to be comfortable. So before you get to be comfortable, you have to leave that your comfort zone and make good use of your time. So guys, if I impacted good in your life this night or this morning, depending on when you watch this video, please help me to click on the subscribe button, like, share and comment, please guys, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.